Meaning of environmental.
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 Environmental. Environmental refers to anything related to the natural world and its surroundings, including the conditions, circumstances, and influences affecting the living and non-living things within it. This term is often used in reference to environmental issues, such as pollution, climate change, habitat destruction, and conservation efforts to protect and preserve our planet's resources for future generations. Environmental awareness and action are crucial for promoting sustainability and ensuring a healthy, thriving ecosystem for all life on Earth. By prioritizing environmental protection, we can create a cleaner, greener, and more sustainable future for ourselves and the planet.